Hello and welcome to today's video, in which I'll be showing you a failure I've come across numerous times on the E90 3 Series and E87 1 Series models. This particular fault may manifest itself in a number of ways. The traction control lights may come on for no apparent reason. The ABS light may come on as well, and you might feel the ABS pump activating through the brake pedal when slowing for junctions. No matter what the initial symptoms are, in my experience, a diagnostic scan won't reveal any fault codes in the ABS control unit. If this is the case for you, and there are no fault codes to point you in the right direction, then hopefully this video can help. The diagnosis. So here we have a pair of drive shafts from a 2009 318i, and if we take a closer look at the pickup rings, you'll notice there's a small area that's been worn away. This is due to the ring itself becoming distorted, likely from corrosion buildup and contacting the tip of the wheel speed sensor. If this fault is caught early on, then the sensors will most likely be okay. The ones on this 3 Series were fine, but if left too long, the sensors will be damaged beyond repair. As for the pickup rings, they can be replaced separately from the drive shaft, or new drive shafts can be installed. Replacement. Drive shaft replacement is relatively straightforward, with the only major problem possibly being a heavily corroded drive shaft nut, as was the case for me. But a bit of time spent with a die grinder, hammer and a chisel should be enough to remove the nut. Then working on the diff end of the drive shaft, there are 6 bolts that require removal that connect the drive shaft to the inner cup. You should now be able to remove the drive shaft from the vehicle and install the new one in reverse order. One thing to bear in mind, when replacing the left-hand drive shaft, it's going to be necessary to drop the exhaust from its rubber mounts so that you can free the drive shaft from the vehicle. That's it for this episode. Hopefully it helps a few people out, and we'll see you next time. Like, share, subscribe, the Car Lovers channel.